contact roller, which in the case of Sandingmasters, they're about 10 inches in diameter. They're huge. And then the second head is for finer paper. It has a Platen. I just wanted to point out in here, one of the improvements that I made, I don't know why in the world they gave us grease zerks the ability to grease the bearings on the top, but no ability to grease the bearings on the bottom, where the actual rollers are for the bottom rollers for the belt. So consequently, the bearings went out, and they have been replaced. And then we also installed a couple of grease zerks there. By comparison to most of them today, I think this one's quite simple to operate. You have the belt tensioners. You loosen these, and you can take the belts out. It's a good idea to have the air off, not the compressed air necessarily, but the suction, the dust collection needs to be off. And you have a 7-inch dust collection port out of the top, and boy, you need every bit of that. So